Let's take a deeper look at Scott Bessent, a former hedge fund titan and Princeton-educated macro strategist. He is now the 79th U.S. Treasury Secretary, Ombudsman for Capital Markets, no less. His credentials: leading Soros Fund Management's London office, where he helped profit over $1 billion during Black Wednesday in 1992, and another $1.2 billion by shorting the yen in 2013. In private markets, his Key Square Fund delivered double-digit gains in 2023 and 2024, outperforming global macro peers. On policy, Bessent has become Wall Street's anchorman. He championed a pause on sweeping tariffs, helping to briefly stabilize markets, helped launch the Genius Act to clarify stablecoin regulation, which is already drawing capital into U.S. Treasuries, and advised against firing Fed Chair Powell, in which he has weekly lunch meetings with, and has preserved calm in bond markets. These moves, tariff scope management, fintech clarity, Fed stability, have lifted investor confidence, with Treasury markets labeling him a calming, rational presence amid populist pressure.
Talks are moving along, but the important thing here is the quality of the deal, not the timing of the deals. And President Trump has created maximum leverage, as only he can do. And what we are seeing is like these imbalances built up over 20, 30, 40 years. And we are more concerned with high quality deals than getting these deals done by August 1st. Our trading partners were told that the rates could boomerang back toward the April 2nd levels. We can continue talking then. Again, we're proceeding at pace with the negotiations, but we're not going to rush for the sake of doing deals.
Bessent's stewardship has reinforced the U.S. dollar's reserve status, affirmed safe regulatory ground for emerging digital assets, and dampened volatility by keeping trade and monetary policy grounded. While some warn his macro-heavy background may skew policy toward finance, early outcomes show a market-friendly blend of stability-first strategy and measured reform. In short, Scott Bessent is bridging Wall Street risk appetite with Washington's power, ushering in a more predictable, pragmatic economic era under Trump's second term. Now, he has had to do this in the face of Trump's second-term rollbacks on LGBTQ plus rights. Executive orders like ending federal funding for gender-affirming care or banning transgender individuals from military service, including the federal removal of specialized LGBTQ support services for youth. Scott Bessent happens to be gay and is married, and his position is undeniably complex. I would argue that he is the biggest advocate for the LGBTQ community. He's the steadying hand, keeping Wall Street calm, yet paradoxically, he's working inside an administration that's rolled back multiple LGBTQ protections. His presence, providing economic stability while linking social equity, comes with an unnerving truth that sometimes the loudest defense of a marginalized group can be influenced by the quiet force holding power accountable from within. And I look at that as being a positive thing. Good luck to you, Scott Bessent. He has my highest endorsement, and I wish that he continues to lead on both paths. Let me know your thoughts.